Hello you guys, so we are back. We're going to install the strips on the floor, and this is where we're going to, right there. You see how this is coming up? That's because there's no silver strip right there. And we're going to do one right here. See, if I had one right here before, this wouldn't have happened, but before it get too worse, I want to go ahead and put a strip right there. It's one. See, it's one on there already. It's just not one right there. So we're gonna install that right now, okay? And we're gonna show you how to do it. So these look like. And we're gonna put them right here. Now we may have to cut them, so yeah. Let's see, show me. No, we would not.
just use
It looks so much better. Now nobody's feet gotta get caught or towed. One more to do. It's perfect. What do you got in your nose? Change the floor, you gotta pull it up.
stick a little ball in there.
Alright, you guys. Thank you, Mr. Jones. Don't say.
You're welcome.
Alright, you guys. That's it. The carpet thresholds are done. And so that's one less thing I have to worry about. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.